Ninjani? Ngiyaphila. Itsokela uElihle lana ku eThwathwa TV. Ngishile lana no Mr Cowboy. Ubhuti wethu la eDavidson evutha uyazi nawe ikasi lamakasi sisonke sibuya la sonke. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for this event. This is such a great impact. Into ekucabangise nje ukuthi i-event kanjena uyilethe lana usilethela ama-artist angaka lingana nawe nje niba khulu kangaka. We are very honored. Into ekucabangise ukuthi nize lana yini nje?
I don't think it's a secret ukuthi eDavidson bayathanda ibhola yabo. Because like ama-star baya ku eDavidson, like the likes of Junior Kanye, Scapi, yabo boy Madingwane now, you understand? So I think the only thing engisebenzele ukuthi ukuthola into abayithanda kakhulu like la elokishini lethu yabo, which is ibhola no music okushaya. So icabanga bohlanganisa music nebhola uyilethe endaweni eyi-one, it becomes like a joyful thing because nomuntu ongalithanda ibhola othanda music uzose groundini because i-artist lakhe layadlala. You understand? And another thing, it's always important to bonisa abantwana abancane ukuthi even if like they can be the next artist in the community or whatever, they can do lezi zinto abakhule ngazo. Yabona? Njengami mina ngikhule ngidlala ibhola ngingaculi la. You understand? So community amele ibone ukuthi awu Cowboy yakwazi ukudlala ibhola. We thought ukwazi ukucula kuphela, understand? So I think like different parts of entertainment into inspire ukuthi ngenze lento le like us especially, you understand? And shout out to everyone who came, like the Javas came all the way from Beckville, you understand? To just play in Davidson and just to show some love and yeah.
So can we expect more of these events?
I can't promise that because only promise is an expectation thing now, you know. Yeah. But I would say I would love to do these type of things like more and more. Or so depending on amandla, because on thing to ask,
yeah. So just like your tours, my tours wako from now on, Amekanjani. Yes.
Okay. This year we're planning to explore different classes, you know. We're not saying as say at Davidson. We feel like we've did it like countless time at Davidson. Maybe we'll have one this year like Davidson parts. Because so maybe like 2 of them will have different classes. Just good how it feels to drive like to Cowboy Grove, you understand? Yeah. I think like expect more of that this year.
Oh, okay. So Ngcelanje, just a shout out for eThwathwa TV, abantu basifollow.
Shout out to
eThwathwa TV.
eThwathwa TV. Yes. Shout out to eThwathwa TV. So boy Cowboy, Mr. Kutu, Mr. Mpula, Mr. Mtanzaniano, yes, it's pushy card.
Thank you.